Oh, wow! Look what I have for you today. We're gonna make the creamiest, softest cheese pie you'll ever try. An easy recipe that will win you over from the very first bite. For this, we need 3 cups of flour. We put 200 grams of really cold butter right over the flour. And here comes the trick. We use a grater to make it so much easier. Look at this. We're gonna grate all the butter just like this. But be careful, it has to be super cold for it to turn out perfect. All done. Now, we add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and mix it perfectly. On the side, in a bowl, we crack 1 egg, we add half a cup of sugar, or about 120 grams, a pinch of salt, and we whisk it all together. Simple, with just a fork. And now, we pour this mixture over our flour. We mix it a little with the spatula, and now we use our hands to bring it all together. Remember, you can also do this kneading directly on the counter. Perfect. We're going to divide the dough into 2 parts. One is going to be bigger than the other, so we cut right here. I think right here is good. We wrap it in plastic wrap or put it in a plastic bag, and we put it in the fridge for 30 to 40 minutes. All right. Over here, I have 400 grams of ricotta cheese. Look how good this looks. You can also use cottage cheese. We add 1 cup of sugar, or 200 grams, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and over here, I have a 120-gram container of plain yogurt. It all goes in. We add a pinch of salt, important to bring out the flavors, and finally, 2 eggs. And let's blend everything. Done. Look. Here, I have a glass baking dish 20 centimeters at the base, about 23 or 24 at the top. But if you have a different kind of pan, that works too. Today, I'm going to use this one. Our dough has already rested. We put a little bit of flour on the table, we place it down, and with our rolling pin, we roll it out nicely. Let's measure. Okay, it came out perfect. We're going to roll it up, we place it nicely, and done. And now we add our ricotta mixture. We trim off the extra dough, we combine that little leftover piece with the one we left in the fridge, and we're going to make some little strips for the top. This lattice is optional, but it looks beautiful. We place it over our pie, we trim it, and done. We already have the oven preheated to 170 degrees Celsius, that's 340 Fahrenheit, and we're going to bake it for 40 to 45 minutes. Listen, this is key. Once it's ready, you have to let your pie cool for about 2 hours so that when you slice it, it comes out perfect. You can also keep it in the fridge. And now, we add a little dusting of powdered sugar on top. And here comes the most awaited moment. Let's try it. Wow. Delicious. So creamy. Without a doubt, one of my favorite pies. And you saw how easy it is to make. It has a texture and a flavor that is just insane. Now I really hope you make it at home. And bon appetit!